3, 2, 3, 1, go!
So now let's proceed to another country in Europe. So I have a short clip here and you can identify what country it is.
Tinuod dyan na? As in sa clouds na? Saan ba na? Wow! Pwede maligo, anak. Dati, lamian. Loka na. What if matagak?
Norway. Oslo ang capital.
Wrong la ba ko, anak?
Welcome to the country of fjords and northern lights. The country of Norway. So, Norway, its official country name is Kingdom of Norway. Northern Lights. Yeah, it is used because it reflects both countries' identity and its system of government. The word Norway comes from Old Norse meaning northern Maine. Northern. Refers to the Rusi which used to be early traders and explorers along the northern coast. So Norway is known for its stunning natural landscapes, especially its fjords, which are deep sea inlets surrounded by steep mountains formed by glaciers. These natural features make Norway one of the most beautiful countries in the world. So the capital city is Oslo. Yeah. So also known for City of God. Modern architecture, clean environment, and strong focus on sustainability. And it is also the center for culture, history, and innovation in the North. So Norway has a rich history that dates back to the time of the Vikings, who were known as explorers
Hala, wala na video.
and warriors. So, iba kung sa mga Vikings, right?
Ciao.
Fun and invaders. So the Vikings age, even to 11th century, and over yes. So ang tawag sa mga Norway across Europe. Union with Denmark and later Sweden, influencing its political history. Independence in 1905, the Norway became a fully independent nation. Today, Norway is a peaceful, stable, and highly developed country. So the flag of Norway, the flag of Norway consists red background to the white and blue cross outlined in white. So the red symbolizes strength and bravery. White represents peace and honesty. Blue stands for loyalty and justice. So the cross design reflects Norway's historical connections to Christianity and other Nordic countries. Norway is located in northern Europe and is part of Scandinavian region. It shares a border with Sweden and is surrounded by seas. So next we have geography and natural features. So Norway is defined by striking natural features, deep fjords, carved by glaciers, rock, mountain ranges. Ang fjords guys, pininay ng glaciers yung mga mountains. So because of the climbing. Wala ba sila sa one guys? Sila sa Rumoy. Sometimes wala sila isakit sa Tilimusan kung sa Tilimusan. Sometimes dili mo
Sunrise.
o dili mo rice ang
Sunrise.
Una nga
May kidi masanso.
So we have Lord's Mountain and Rome coastline. So the culture and way of life. Korean culture emphasizes simplicity, outdoor life, and social equality. Open air living is sila. So simple living, hindi na sila mamaglalang. The outdoor activities, snowing, nandun sa panang learning. So next, their famous foods. So smoked salmon.
Wow.
Small portions together sila sa
Nalaina dyan ang cheese, oh.
sorry. So first sila sa mga European, mga mahilig sila, mga pan-pan, mga waffles,
Kinsay fan of cheese.
world-renowned sauce. They also have Brutus brown cheese, caramelized sweet cheese, relatively sweet, tangy flavors.
So,
Tommy, where are you? Tangy, then the heart-shaped waffles, some research is done and salt cream.
di malagi na siya heart.
Tilawan niya sa Philippines. Sorry.
Oh, heart. Heart. Gitapo na tanan. Sorry.
Fish, inilawan siya guys, right? One fish reconstituted with
Unsa day?
naa siya ka na Russia, natilawanin yung sushi.
Ha? Sushi?
Tatong tamis-tamis niya, kapit-puti, ayun na, ilagay pa na pala. So, also, the last one is
Flat bread. Lami siguro na kay flat man. Mura man siya kuan kanang hupya ay kanang katong flat katong piyaya. Piyaya. Mo man siguro nag kanang iluto nila nang mag sigaw niya ikuan kina may pagod-pagod niya mo burot bitaw na.
So population and education, 5.5 million people, high literacy and tertiary education rates with strong public investment in school and research.
Sure dako
Koreans
mag-uwi.
and governance and Netherlands, constitutional monarchy and parliamentary democracy. So mga ilang king, Harald served as ceremonial head of state while elected officials run government affairs. Kaya sila sa Netherlands, na I think pero not pinapalagi sa government. Then, their economy the capital, the Oslo. Museums, contemporary architecture, and lively waterfront districts. Then there Vera Fjords. So UNESCO listed fjords famous for sheer cliffs, waterfalls, and scenic routes.
Pwede maligo na.
Yeah.
O man lagay naligo.
Very Then next the Virgin.
Mostly jud Europe countries kay na jud mga ngana.
Yeah, historic part, city, then main fjords, known for the fish markets. Fish markets. So, non-third blocks of Tromsø. So, excellent base for Arctic experience, aurora blooming, whale watching, and sunny culture. So, they look at it. Ganahan kung
Nandito the movie with the dreams sa baik that's it. And then aurora,
Ay, sa Norway, ba na? One yung biga, Kingoy. Let it go.
Di kay sukat to day tourist pa jud to siya nga pwede madungan. Ang mga tao nara sa ubos.
Kani siya na small pero
Pero sa mura lagi tubig.
oh, my experience mo ang whale watching o scan mga culture wise kani siya kay winter kaya time mo na so it
Kuan man na ano sila may sa mga tayo.
ako magmet-met ang
Dili de kanunay.
Nara ko nang